Hey everyone, Carlos over at BearBullTraders.com, and here's my recap for today. I had one clean trade on Teva. Teva was in our watch list this morning from our pre-market show, and as you can see here, it opened up pretty weak. It started selling off below the VWAP, and it had this pullback to VWAP several times. I wanted to get in on these candles here, but it was just too early for me to jump into a opening range breakdown. But this would have been a great entry here, and then the minute you got in, it sold off nicely. But I got in around 9:33, and right at the top, right here around VWAP, the minute I got in, it did started to slowly sell off. It was a very slow moving trade though. It didn't happen right away. I was expecting for a faster sell off. When it got to this level here and it kind of started stalling around this price range, I took a partial out, took another one on here when we got to this level of 1839, which was a level based on our daily chart. And then we got another partial down here as well. So you can see in the 5-minute chart, again, it was a great open range breakdown. Took about 500 shares, not much. I wasn't too sure about this this sell-off after having several pullbacks, but I took profits off on the way down, left a little bit, and took the rest down over here. So again, just a really good trade. The other trade I have on here is a demo trading account, so I was just trying out some hotkeys on there. So all right, guys. Hope everyone else had a good start of the week this Monday. See you guys all tomorrow.